1. Color differences are mainly related to your printer model and the ink you use. You can try calibrating your printer's colors and cleaning the print head. Two, glossy phone cases usually give more vivid results than matte ones, so choose the type of case according to your needs. Always follow the recommended heat press settings to avoid pressing for too long, which may affect the colors. To fix color shifts, adjust your printer's ink output. Yellowish result, reduce yellow from -5 to -25. Bluish result, reduce cyan from -5 to -25. Reddish result, reduce magenta from -5 to -25. Greenish result, reduce both yellow and cyan from -5 to -25. Purplish result, reduce cyan and magenta from -5 to -25, and increase yellow by 5 to 20 points. Overall too dark, lower saturation. Then increase brightness and contrast. Too pale or dull, lower brightness and increase saturation. For glossy cases, you can also try lowering the pressing temperature by 10 degrees Celsius, but it's not recommended to shorten the pressing time.